Hey everyone, Heather here. I have some stuff that is going to be a little bit different here at the physical shop and an opportunity for you guys at home. So I just thought that I would jump on live before you kind of start seeing it so you understand what we're doing. For everyone who can come to the store, I feel like some of this is a little tiny bit more pertinent for you guys. So first of all, store hours they kind of have changed and they're going to be a little bit different. I'm not staffing weekends right now and I'm not working weekends myself. I will be here Small Business Saturday, and I will be here during the tree lighting and special weekends. So I will post the weekends that we're going to be open. Other than that, I am kind of pulling back a little bit and spending weekends with my family. So we are going to be here from Tuesday through Friday from 10:30 to 4:30. Weekends that we're here will be posted ahead of time that we will be open on the weekend. But I'm just at the point where my kids are getting big fast and things are happening and they're playing sports and doing all the things. So I'm going to be spending the weekends at home, except unless it's posted. And I will make sure that at least once a month we're here on a weekend. So we will be open Small Business Saturday, and we will be open during like the tree lighting and all those festivities, but all that's going to be posted. So what we're adding is kind of fun, and right now we are doing it mostly on Mondays. So I'm having a ton of fun teaching everybody all the things about Dixie Belle and Redesign with Prima and Surf Prep and recycled papers and Would You Bend and Sinopoly. I mean, the list goes on and on with the companies that I'm working with, and it's amazing. And I've been doing all of this stuff for years now, since 2014 for sure. So we're coming up on 6 years with Dixie Belle, and I just feel like as I'm getting all of this knowledge, like I really want to be able to bring it to everyone, and I want to be able to teach and create and do all of those things. So Margaret and I have been trying to think of ways that we can do that, and we did a bunch of workshops that can be shipped to you, and I do a live video and you can kind of make them with me, and that's super fun. But there's also other things we can do. So starting next week, I'm making all these events Mondays from 9 a.m. until 2 p.m. So that's a whole bunch of hours. We are doing Paint With Me. So if you are local enough to get here, you can buy your spot. And what Paint With Me is going to be is each Monday during the day, I will be here with 3 people. That's it. So there'll be a total of 4 of us. We will paint a piece or work on project boards, whatever it is that you want to do. You can let me know ahead of time, and we're all going to work together and learn and grow and create whatever it is that you kind of want to create within reason for 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. So from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m., I am basically almost yours privately. It'll be the smallest group class that I do. It'll only be during those hours unless they grow in popularity and I add another one. But the whole point of them is to keep them small. So there will be events coming up, and in the event you'll be able to click and buy a ticket, and that will reserve your space for that particular Monday. When you come in, you'll get a 8-ounce paint, a rad pad, and a brush. You're welcome to bring your own stuff. If you need anything else, I will have all of my supplies here that you can either borrow or purchase depending on if it will then be reusable or not. So that's that. We're gonna have basically studio space with me with lessons and stuff in person and private. And then Monday nights from 6:30 to 8:30, we are going to do more public BYOB, come create some fun, crafty kind of things with us. And we can still talk about all things paint, but Monday nights from like 6:30 to 8:30, those are more fun nights, right? We're gonna do some fun projects together. Now those projects also will have an event, and also will have a ticket source where you can buy your ticket online. None of this is walk-in. So that's super important. Like, please know you need a ticket for either one. The Monday evening workshop classes, the smaller projects, they can go ahead and be shipped. So if you're watching online and you see a project that you want to create with us, just let me know and I will ship them out. I will pop you over into our private group and I will create a live video of me creating that project if one doesn't already exist. If it already exists, then I will send you the link to it, because some of them already do have things that exist. So what are we going to be making in those classes? I just posted, that is we're doing wreaths out of picture frames. I have the boxes that I made the other day where we stained with paint and kind of made cute little signs that look like presents. We're going to do terracotta pots that are super cute for the holidays. And then we're also going to do boxes like the one I did today in my live for Dixie Belle. We're going to do all sorts of fun stuff. Margaret and I are working our butts off over here thinking of really fun projects that we can do during those hours. Just a 2-hour window, so that's really just more for you to grab a girlfriend, come out, paint some stuff, bring some wine, and just kind of hang out and paint with us. Those classes are also going to be pretty small. We're trying to do all of this on our own premise this time in the store, instead of packing up like we did all winter and going to other locations. We're trying to keep it all in-house so that it's easier for us and easier for you. So for right now, the Monday evening workshops are going to max out at 12 people. The Monday morning workshops, because we want to keep them super personal, are going to max out at 3 people. So hey do! So right now, I have a ton of amazing stuff you guys will get to come and play with and use, and those products are just going to continue to grow. I have a super special thing that I just got the tracking for, and it's going to be here on Friday. It's getting shipped to my house because I just felt like that was the safest shipping. So as soon as I get home on Friday night, if it is there, either Friday night or Saturday morning, we will go live and open it together, because that's going to be a really fun thing for you guys to maybe get to do during those Monday days. So, does anyone have any questions? I know you guys can probably catch this on the replay. Sometimes that's easier. I know it's a really odd time of day. I just wanted to kind of at least put something out there with me explaining it before you start seeing like, oh, these events hit my feed. Because what I'm going to do right now is just fill the calendar for whatever's left of November. Can you guys even believe like next week is Thanksgiving? It's insane. So for the rest of November, December, and maybe like a smidge of January, so that you guys can go ahead and get signed in and signed up. So that's all that stuff. Of course my store phone is ringing. Ty, can you just grab the phone?
Yeah.
Well, at least that'll be helpful. So that's everything. I guess there's no questions going on right now, and I will see you guys later. Thanks. Bye. I look forward to you signing up for stuff. It's going to be a really good time.